ASMR and satisfying videos have always been one of the most popular and engaging niches on YouTube. In this video, I'm going to show you one of the new ideas in this niche, so stay with me until the end and learn how to create this new type of content completely for free. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, make sure to hit the subscribe button so you don't miss my upcoming tutorials. To get started, go to the prompt link I provided in the description. Copy the prompt. Then go to ChatGPT, paste the prompt, and click the send button. ChatGPT will show you a list of 10 cartoon characters. You can choose one of them, send 0 to get a new list of 10 characters, or type the name of any character you want and send it. Next, ChatGPT will generate the video prompt for you. Copy the prompt and go to Google Flow. Create a new project, paste the prompt, switch to video mode, choose your preferred aspect ratio, select OmniFlash as the model, set the video duration to 10 seconds, and set the number of videos to 1. Finally, click Generate. A few seconds later, your video will be ready. Let's take a look at the result. With this method, you can create 3 videos for free every day. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to like the video and hit the subscribe button. I'll see you in the next one.